Hello Groveland. Today is March the 5th and this video is just a brief update on a couple of issues for you. If you recall, in an earlier video I told you that originally we were planning on having Grange Hall Road repaved from Van Road to Jossman Road. But the paving project for that looked like it was going to be moved off for a year or two because they were trying to free up some money to do Dixie Highway all the way through Groveland Township. And so the Dixie Highway project is a go, but I just found out today that the Road Commission has been able to facilitate coming up with the funding for the Grange Hall paving as well. So this year, between the summer of 2019 and the fall of 2019, Grange Hall Road between Van Road and Jossman Road will be repaved this year. It's project's back on. So we're really getting some good road work done in our community here in the last year or two. Don't forget that the Barron Road project to go from Perryville to Grange Hall Road has also been moved up from 2022 to 2021. So things are moving along pretty good on the road work issues. But the other reason I'm here is many of you may have noticed that the sign out front of the township has been running a message, because I thought it might be interesting to see if we could do something along community spirit lines and see if maybe all of the people out here that have antique cars or motorcycles like I do kind of got together and put a show on, and we'll put it on Dixie Highway, and tentatively we're going to try and do this in October if enough people respond. Right now there's a list on the front desk of the township office when you walk in, so if you have an antique or special interest car or motorcycle and you'd like to have a chance to show it to everybody out here, please sign on the list, and if we get enough people that are interested in doing the car show, we're going to try and put it on with some help from Oakland County Parks to facilitate kicking off the Dixie Byway concept. Many of you may know from earlier videos that in our master plan, one of the things we've been doing with Oakland County is trying to figure out how do we brand Dixie Highway from Springfield Township, where I-75 crosses at exit 93, all the way up through Groveland and then into Holly Township, where it crosses again at exit 106. We want to take that area of Dixie Highway, brand it the Dixie Byway. So we're trying to put together a show if we have enough interested people. There's about 10 of us that have signed up so far as we just started to kick it off, but I'm really interested that if you have a car or motorcycle or special interest vehicle you would be willing to put in the facility. We're going to try and see if we get enough people so that we can try and do it this year in October. I hope to hear from you, and if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to call me at the township office and I'll be happy to talk about it with you. So until the next video, Groveland, have a great day, enjoy the summer, it's got to be around the corner pretty soon, and start thinking about getting those old cars and motorcycles out. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.